Yeah, yours is much better. But it does kind of pick up on it.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let's go this way. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you push the laundry basket downstairs? Oh, wow. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Mm-hmm, clapping. We put our kids to work in this family.
Push the chair out of the way.
Oh boy. You're going. Now you're gonna. Can you push the chair? Oh. There you go. Oh. Can you push the chair with it? Oh, your choo-choo, Soren, your choo-choo. Oh, baby. He's getting frustrated because of the chair. There she blows. Woo!
Don't try, just get right back up on the saddle.
Okay, Dad. Aww.
What? What do you want?
Aww. Pick me up, Daddy.
Up?
Soren?
Soren, you want up?